How to fix Instagram video not playing issues on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to fix Instagram videos not playing on your device. So watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to check your internet connection. Enable airplane mode for a while and then disable it within a second. You can even switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or vice versa and test your internet speed to ensure it's stable. The next thing you need to apply is simply long press on Instagram. Tap I button and access app info. Select storage users and tap on clear cache. Once you do that, this will clear different kinds of glitches on your Instagram application. You can even try Instagram Lite. Open Google Play Store and search for Instagram Lite. Install it and check if the issue is resolved. If you are still experiencing problem, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and tips and fixes.